No matter if you have been convicted or not, once you enter this prison, you will be detained for life. This is the most crowded and filthy prison in the world, with a capacity for 600 people. It houses 2,000 inmates in the prison. Even drinking clean water requires money, and even breathing fresh air is very difficult. But the few guards can't control over 3 times the number of people. So, the order in the prison is maintained by the inmates themselves. This is the Nongabato prison in the Philippines. Although the prison is already overcrowded, new inmates are still brought in every day. They are brought to the prison to await trial in court, but the waiting time is generally up to 12 years. Officially, it's called detention, but in reality, it's no different from being in jail, whether you are a thief or a serious offender. When you arrive here, everyone is equal. Before entering the prison, only a few clothes and a small amount of cash are allowed. Then the guards will take a photo of the person and hand them over to the inmates in the prison. According to the rules, the first thing new inmates do is get a haircut. The prison barber will shave the hair of each new person and forcefully charge a service fee. After the haircut ceremony, the criminals are taken to the dormitory by the guards, where 69 inmates live in a 25 square meter cell. This makes the minimum temperature in the cell reach 35 degrees. They cannot leave the cell. What awaits them is death. Are you scared of such a prison?